I am Amit Kamath. I am a third generation entrepreneur in the logistics industry, heading our company, which was started by my grandfather. We are 8 years in this business, and we work from different ports and airports in India. I am also the chairman of the Federation of Freight Forwarders Associations in India. We are the largest body of the national apex body of custom brokers and logistics service providers, having a membership of more than 6,500 members across 31 different locations in India, which are port, airports, and inland container depots, and employing over 1 million of people, influencing and controlling 95% of India's international logistics trade. The logistics industry is becoming more and more close because of digitalization, because of collaborations, because of one single interface, and that will lead into the reduction in transaction time and costs, which is and improve our ease of doing business and the logistics performance index. And through this, we would be able to fructify the vision of our Prime Minister of Viksit Bharat and reduce the percentage logistics as a percentage cost of the GDP. We have been associated right from the very first edition of this IISS exhibition, and I think that it is very spectacular. It is not only engaging all logistics service providers, it's also in true sense international exhibition with more than 50% of the participation being from other countries. It has the gamut of all stakeholders in logistics, right from the ports to the terminals, to the airports, to the consolidators, to the freight forwarders, to the NVOCCs, and you name and their presence is there. So it provides an excellent opportunity for networking, for building strategic alliances, for connecting the service providers to the service buyers. And the conference of the sidelines of this exhibition is excellent, has excellent speakers with a very good team, and it provides you a thought leadership and knowledge and ideas. So all in all, it's an event not to be missed.